Once upon a time, in a big green garden, lived a little bunny named Dusty. Dusty was unlike other bunnies. He loved to roll in the dirt. One day, Dusty overheard the other bunnies talking. "Dusty is strange," they said. "Rolling in dirt is not clean." Dusty felt sad. He wondered, is there something wrong with being dirty? Dusty decided to ask the wise old owl, who lived in the tallest tree. "Owl," asked Dusty, "is it bad to be dirty?" The owl thought for a moment and replied, "Not at all, my dear Dusty. Dirt is a friend to all." "But why, Owl?" asked Dusty. The owl explained, "Dirt helps plants grow. It's part of nature's cycle. Without it, our beautiful garden would not bloom." Dusty felt happy. He realized that being dirty was not a problem, but a gift. From that day forward, Dusty was proud to be Dusty the Dirt Bunny. He rolled in the dirt every day, knowing he was helping the garden grow. One day, as Dusty was rolling in the dirt, he noticed a tiny seed. He picked it up and placed it in a mound of dirt. Over time, the seed grew into a beautiful flower. The other bunnies admired the flower and thanked Dusty for his kindness. From then on, Dusty was no longer seen as strange. He was seen as a helper, a friend to all, and most importantly, a vital part of the garden. And every night, as the sun set, Dusty would look at his garden, happy and content, knowing he made a difference. So, remember, dear children, there is beauty in the dirt. Embrace it, love it, and let it help you grow, just like Dusty the Dirt Bunny. Good night.